So I tried this banana bread recipe I saw on Tea Spices page. Oh my god, and it came out so perfect. I have tried banana bread so many times and it came out looking rough, and in fact it was very horrible. But when I saw this recipe on her page, I saved it and I was like, I'm going to try it one day. And now that I have overripe banana, I remember the recipe ASAP, and this is me trying that recipe out now in this video. Oh yeah, iṣẹ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. I turn on to yam, I begin the pound am. You can use blender if you want to use blender, but this is what I'm doing in my video. And after that, I added sugar to the recipe. I added egg. I don't want to waste my ingredients because I have tried banana bread recipe so many times and they were just wasting my ingredients. So this time around I said I'm not going to put too much of this ingredient because I was not sure of what the result would be. So I added milk, I added egg, and I added sugar. I mixed it together, and now I'm adding vegetable oil to the recipe. I added flour. I measured 2 cups of the flour and I added a little bit first, then I later added the remaining one. But still, I found out at the end of the video when the banana bread came out that I didn't add enough flour to it. But next time, I'll be doing justice to that. So I added baking powder and I added a little bit more. Then I mixed together to get this. And now that we are done with this part, I'm going to be transferring it into my baking pan. So in that pan, I added my butter and I poured flour on it so the butter won't be stick to the pan when the banana bread is done. So I divided the butter into 2. I added half into the first pan and I added the second half into the other pan. At this point I was already praying, like, God I beg, let this thing come out fine, let this thing come out well, like let me get it right this time. And guess what, it came out so good, guys. At this point I was so happy. I was so happy because the look, oh my god, can you see that golden brown something at the back of this banana bread? And I was trying to bring down the second one too to check if it is the same as the first one. And oh my god, this is so fresh, so fresh, and it came out so perfect, no sticking. I was so happy. There were recipes that I've tried and they didn't come out as perfect as this. I must give it to Tea Spices Kitchen. Thank you for sharing amazing recipes. To your page, I am glued, trust me. I'm going to try more of your recipes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Yes, I'm rating this 100/100, nothing missing. 100/100. Thank you guys for watching once again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos and recipes like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.